You want to know what's in the bag? Oh, he smells the treats. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle and we have Scotchy today. Since fall is here and everyone's talking about pumpkin spice lattes and everything pumpkin spice, I thought why not try some pumpkin type of items with Scotchy. So I went to the store recently and he's already been digging his head into this bag, trying to figure out what it is. And I got him some toys, some treats, a few other things that we're gonna test out with him and see. See, he can't stop. He knows what's in there. They smell everything, I swear. Why are you laying like this? Do any of your dogs just lay in the weirdest positions? Like, I don't understand what this is. Like, you're weird. Let's just get started and find out which toys and which treats Scotch likes the best. What's this? I think the first one might already be a winner. So these first ones are pumpkin and banana flavored and they're delicious, healthy dog treats. And Scotch already tries to get in the bag for more treats, but we're working on this one, dude. This is what we're working on. Are you ready? That's just the wrapper. Oh my god, they smell really good. I would eat these, but I won't. That'd be a different type of video. Paw. Other paw. Good boy. Oh, and he has to bring it to the carpet to try it because that is what he does. Well, I'd have to say the first one is a success. These Fruitables. Oh, excuse, whoa. Hold yourself, mister. He is greedy. Yeah, so this is definitely a 10 out of 10. And we have a little pumpkin. I'd say this one was probably a fail. It was not the best one. I really don't think dogs like being in costume. I couldn't even put the little feet on him. I just felt bad, so we're just gonna say this was a fail and I'm gonna take it off of him. So I picked these balls up the other day because they're orange or black, so I thought they would be very much Halloween themed and pumpkin spice, all that kind of stuff for fall. And as soon as I brought these home and put them on the counter, he's been sniffing and waiting for them. It's like he knew that these were his toys. So we're gonna open this up and finally give it to him because look how excited you are. You're shaking with excitement, buddy. Are you ready? Yeah. He could sit and do this for hours. Oh, now he has to go the other way because I'm sitting here and he can't bring it back. You have to go grab it from him. It's like tug of war. And of course, I gave him the ball, but he decided to take the wrapper with all of them because one wasn't good enough. Scotchy, what's this one? Oh, they're Fruitables again. They're skinny minis, pumpkin spice flavor. So they're another pumpkin spice doggy treats. And oh my goodness, he is already going completely crazy for this. Oh my god, why do your treats always smell so good? And bring it to the carpet. Okay, one of his best tricks. Are you ready? Stay, stay, stay. Good boy. Okay, good job. Last but not least, this is another toy, and this is something I could not resist, and he's already going crazy for it. So this is a pumpkin spice latte. I found this at Marshall's, and it says puppuccino on it, and it was $6. So we're gonna open this, and we're gonna give him his own little pumpkin spice latte. Do you want your puppuccino? Oh, I think you want it. Good boy. Well, that is a success. Of course, he has to take it to the carpet and play around with it and smell it and everything. But I think it is a new toy. It beats having his Christmas rope and Santa stuff out. At least we're getting to a new holiday.